Screw-type compressors are an important element in the functioning of industrial equipment. These compressors are particularly common in the systems intended for hydrocarbon and ammonia-based refrigeration, vapor recovery, gas collection, fuel gas, natural gas, landfill gas, tail gas, carbon dioxide, and helium compression. Simple design, high reliability, and the ability to operate in harsh conditions are the features, due to which screw-type compressors have become the primary choice for many technological processes. Among screw-type compressors, oil-filled models have gained the most widespread use. They are distinguished by the fact that all the compressor's internal components are lubricated with oil, which lubricates the rotors, ensures their cooling, seals internal gaps, and provides a 20% better efficiency compared to dry models. However, as time goes by, oil loses its initial properties due to heating, oxidation, as well as particulate matter, wear products, and sulfur accumulation. Contaminants accumulate in the compressor's compacting and thrusting chambers, impairing the ability of oil to lubricate bearings and to cool the compressor components. This results in local overheating, heavy wear, and destruction of mechanical seal rings and shims. Filtration is not all it takes to extend the service life of compressors. It is necessary to use a full-fledged technology for regeneration of oil with reclamation of its physical and chemical properties. This is particularly true for industrial screw-type compressors, wherein the volume of waste oil may reach 100 liters per compressor and even more. The regeneration technique makes it possible to reclaim the initial properties of lubricant, as well as to preserve the equipment's service life, reduce costs, and minimize the risk of failure. In order to address these particular tasks, GlobeCore professionals have developed a technology for screw-type compressor oil regeneration, which is implemented using the plants of CMMR model range. Unlike the conventional filtration systems, which remove particulate matter and some water only, and CMMR plant clears oil of the most hazardous oxidation products, acids, sludge, and lacquer-forming constituents. This kind of particulate matter is removed by pumping the oil through a special adsorbent with unique properties. After completing a full regeneration cycle, the oil complies with the requirements to a new lubricant in terms of viscosity, acid number, particulate matter content, and clarity. Another unique feature of CMMR plants is the ability to regenerate the sorbent multiple times and reuse it after saturation. The CMMR plant includes an automated cycle for active regeneration of sorbent, which allows the sorbent to be used up to 500 times or more without losing the oil regeneration efficiency. This ensures continuous operation, cuts down operating costs, and reduces the need for disposal of spent sorbent, which is important in economic and environmental terms. The regeneration process makes it possible to purify the oil, as well as to reclaim its initial performance, which allows reducing the cost of purchasing new oil. The consistent quality of oil helps in maintaining the good condition of mechanical seals, reducing the wear on bearings and rotors, and lowering the risk of failure for expensive screw-type compressor components. And what methods do you use to ensure screw-type compressor oil regeneration? Share your experience in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for screw-type compressor oil regeneration can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.